All right, so it's official. ChatGPT 2 is already live, and since I use a lot of emojis and I generate a lot of emojis, I want to test it out, and I want to share with you for those who don't have access to it yet. I want to do a few experiments here with thumbnails, but also with other things on how how good is it, because I've seen a lot of stuff mentioned it's a very good. I've seen very good examples, so I want to go ahead and an experiment. So by the way, real quick, this is basically my process of generating thumbnails. So I have these images as examples, or just some images that I liked. Then I connected them to an assistant, and this assistant is where I provide my prompt. So this part here is where I just write normally of what I envision, and then here is the polished version that is written by Gemini 3.1. You can use all these other modules. I found the Gemini 3.1 to be the best one, so that's what I did. And then from there, it connects to all these eight, image generators, and I test a bunch. So right now, I have the cinematic mode. Is my favorite so far. And then I've tested it with other Dream, GPT-2, GPT-2. Where is it? That one, and yeah, pretty much this other one. Then I have Banana 2, and then I have Banana 2 Pro. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and test those over. Okay, so let's say, for example, that I want to create an image. And by the way, if you want this prompt, it's in the comments below. Um, let's say that I want to create a new thumbnail where I say reviewing how good is a GPT-2. Okay, so a cinematic high quality image of a man positioned perfectly in the center. So I can change a mid green sweatshirt with the hoodie and word entrepreneur in white and sitting in gaming chair against a dark black clean futuristic home background, vibrant blue and gold lights. So this is where I have the vibrant blue and gold. I like those, but I can change it to, for example, orange. And you can do like combinations, very popular combinations for sets, for setups to have a very good spectrum. So let's go ahead and do against the dark, half surviving green, let's say green, and orange, uh, let's say bright orange light. So bright, vibrant, bright. I don't really need that, but silhouettes on him with blur effect. The man is facing forward with confident facial expression resembling I told you so. Okay, so now this is the thing that I want to change. So the man is facing forward, and I want to do pointing to the left. So man is facing forward, pointing to the left. His torso is slightly tilted to the tilted is like this, right? So it's slight towards the left as well. So slightly facing the left side as well. The composition features a depth of field, blurring, distant smoke, etc. Some repose, massive. Okay, so here I have noisy, grainy texture, and this is where I believe it's the uh, biggest change. Because I added noisy and grainy, it just went all in GPTs. But still, I want to test this now. So texture and a gradient in white and soft blue and gold. So now here I want to do green and orange. The letters have greatly designed borders with inward small neon glowing lights in color green and gold, orange. You can switch colors, by the way. You can do gold if you want to. Now here, how good is GPT-2? With icons in glass future style that also bounce the light resemble GPT Chat GPT logo and image placeholders. Okay, so now I have the composition. I'm just gonna go ahead. If you want to save it, you can copy it. Gemini 3, and then I go run from here. I'm gonna spend 150 credits on this one because of GPT-2. So GPT-2 spends a lot of, like, not a lot of credits, 150. As the other ones that I use, they don't spend credits. Okay, so if you check my account right here, I have around 500,000 credits available, but this is a yearly plan, so this is for the year. So if I want to calculate it, so 500,000 divided by 12 months, I could spend 402,000 a month if I want to calculate. So I have 72,000 already used, so I could spend quite more. So this is also always good to have in mind. So I'm gonna pause and wait for this to generate. It's gonna wait, like it's gonna take around 40 seconds. So I'm gonna pause and then come back. Already got the first result there, but let's see. So we are getting some emojis coming up. There's a few left. Let's go ahead and give it a couple more seconds. All right. So this is GPT-2 for so far. Um, this one is not so good. This one, for some reason, it glitched, but you can see the sweatshirt is very, very cool. The lights are cool. The photo does resemble myself. The letters are kind of cool. I kind of like them as well. The logo, very cool. But let's see, there's just one left. This one is the GPT-2, and this one is cinematic. For some reason, I don't really love this one. I don't like this one. I don't like this one. I mean, I like this one, but the only thing is that the letters are not on the center; they're below. So below, it kind of removes the main point. So this one is good, but my face is not accurate. It's not 100% accurate. So I'm gonna skip this one. This one, okay. The only thing is that it does look like AI, and my teeth are not right. Also, the letters are not right. And then this is GPT-2. This is the only thing about this one. There's so much detail here. It's kind of good, right? There's so much detail here, but so much saturation. So I think that that's the thing like about GPT-2. It adds a lot of, I don't know, like it adds a lot of saturation to everything. And um, what's the term? But the hand, look at the hand. The hand is perfect. Let's go ahead and wait for this one. So this one was not good as well. Didn't like it. So the ones that I did prefer, or we need to repeat this again because usually these ones are very good, but they just glitched. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use GPT-2 here as well. So choose GPT, and I'm gonna repeat this once again. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do this and run from here. In the meantime, I'm gonna go to Figma and I'm gonna edit the picture just a little bit to see if I can adjust it. So let's go here. And let's just add a new one, like tests, maybe. Not this one. Yeah, this one is okay. So let's add a picture there. Okay. So here, let's see if we can manage to remove a little bit of the contrast. Okay, and you see it's already becoming a lot better with less contrast. Saturation is fine. I don't mind this saturation. I think it's fine. Temperature is also fine. This one looks better. Shadows. Let's adjust its shadows. Remove it a little bit, not so much. So now I do think this one is kind of cool. You see, like they add a lot of shadows. So if we remove it a little bit and maybe add a little bit of exposure, now it looks a little bit better. But still, we have some concerns here that I'm not like a big fan of. But I think this one is okay. It's okay-ish. There's still like a lot of shadows here. Uh, in Photoshop, that will be a little bit easier, I guess. Highlights. Nah, the highlights are good. The highlights are good. Yeah, it's really just the shadows. But yeah, I do like this one. I would love this one to be more on center, and he's pointing at not the text. So I need to adjust it to pointing to the text. So let's go ahead and export this one. And in the meantime, let's go ahead and do and see what we have come up with. So this one, not a big fan. This one, not a big fan as well. This one is the new GPT. It's it's cool. Yeah, this one is cool. This one is cool. I'm gonna download this one. And this one, now just overdone. So this one is overdone. I think that this one here is overdone as well, but better. And it basically destroys the other ones as well for some reason, which is odd because usually these cinematics they tend up to be a little bit better. They tend to generate a little bit better than they are doing right now. This one is not bad, but definitely the other one wins. So let's go here. This one is very cool. Like, damn. So let's go ahead and do. So this is one, this is two. So basically, okay. So let's see if by adjusting this a little bit, we can not upload. I don't want to upload. I want to exposure. It's okay. Make it a little bit more maybe. That's okay. Contrast reducing a little bit. Let's go to shadows. Here I'm not like against the shadows here. Highlights are cool. Saturation is fine. Exposure is cool. So what is this missing here? In Photoshop, I would mess up with the curves, the curvature of the light, because I don't know, it's like noise. But this one is cool, right? I like that one. I also like this one. I actually prefer this one to this one. But this one is pointing out and this one is not. And this is GPT-2 is more clear, I guess. I don't know. I like both. Well, which one do you like the most? A or B? I actually like A, but I like the positioning on B. Let's run it again. This is fun. But now I want to test. I want to test noisy, grainy texture, low saturation. It's doesn't really matter. Low saturation, low contrast. We already have high quality cinematic image, low saturation, low contrast. Let's see if this makes any difference. I'm going to run it, and in the meantime, of course, I'm going to pause it and then come back to you. All right, so we have the results here. Um, so this one, I don't like it at all. This one, I don't like that at all, and that's because the low contrast thing. So the low contrast added made that made that those adjustments even worse. Okay, but here is okay. But still, now that I see the realism on the other one, it's kinda. I like this one as well. Like clean. Yeah, cool. Let me go ahead and try to find a way to add this. Uh, how can I add? Let me see. Okay, so let's run it again and see how it and let's see how it behaves. The other one, it did change a little bit, but not quite. I think that I think that there's I need to play more around that because I don't like this. I don't like this aspect. Everything else is cool, but I don't like this other aspect. Which one do I prefer? How good is GPT-2? I actually like this one, but let's go to Figma. This one was the best. This one, that one was the best one. But this one is too much. This one is just too much. Highlights don't matter. Exposure doesn't matter. Contrast. Contrast is there. I don't know. I would not use it because of that. I would need to go to Photoshop and adjust the curves, the light curves. And here I'm married. That's cool. Not bad. Which one is your favorite? First, second, or third? I don't know. They are very identical. I kind of like this one, but the placement of this one is better. But overall, I kind of think like this one is best. I think that overall, I like the aesthetics of this one. The aesthetics of this one is the best. This one, the placement is the best. Um, and also here, this is green, this is bluish color, and this is green as well. So there's a big difference there. Anyway, this video is already too long. These are the results. These are the results. Which one is your favorite? A, B, or C? 1, 2, or 3? Let me know. Cheers.